Have you inherited a property in Florida and are unsure of what to do next? Are you wondering if you can even sell it while it's in probate? If that's you, you're not alone. It's a common question with a straightforward answer, and today we're going to break it all down for you. Hi, I'm Bussard, a certified probate real estate specialist serving Southwest Florida. In this video, I'll guide you through step by step through the process. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and drop your questions about probate in the comments below. I'm here to help you with all your real estate questions. Let's start with the basics. Probate is the legal process of settling an estate after someone passes away. It ensures all debts are paid and assets like real estate are distributed to the rightful heirs. If the person who passed owned a home solely in their name, probate is usually required to transfer the property title. This can sound overwhelming, but here's the good news. A probate property can absolutely be sold. Whether the property is part of a will or not, there are steps we can take to ensure the sale goes smoothly. It's all about understanding the timeline and the legal requirements. In Florida, the answer is yes. You can sell a probate property, but the process can vary depending on whether there's a will or if the estate is intestate, meaning no will, or if it's in a trust. If there's a will, it's typically easier as it names a personal representative, also known as an executor, who has the authority to manage the property sale. If there's no will, the court will appoint a representative, which can add a few extra steps to the process. Florida's homestead laws can also impact probate sales, especially if the property was the deceased's primary residence. These laws protect surviving family members, but may require additional documentation for the sale. Here's how the process works. Step 1, you appoint a personal representative through the probate court. They'll handle all the decisions related to the estate, including the selling of the property. Step 2 is get the property appraised to determine its market value. This helps ensure the court and potential buyers understand the property's worth. Step 3, depending on the estate setup, you may need court approval to sell. Your probate attorney can guide you through filing a petition for this step. Once you have the green light, you can market the property, negotiate offers, and proceed to closing, all while ensuring the court's requirements are met. Selling a probate property can feel overwhelming, but here are some common challenges and how to tackle them. First, it's an emotional time. My advice, lean on your support network and work with a trusted professional to take the pressure off. Next, legal and financial hurdles. This is why partnering with a great probate attorney and CPA is essential. They'll handle the paperwork and tax considerations for you. Finally, maintaining the property. If the home needs work, I have a network of contractors and property managers who can step in to help. As a certified probate real estate specialist, my job is to make this process as smooth as possible, from connecting you with the right professionals to marketing the property effectively. I'll be with you every step of the way. Now let's recap. Yes, you can sell a probate property in Florida. With the right guidance, it can be a straightforward process. If you're navigating probate, don't do it alone. Call me at 239-450-5786 and let's make this as stress-free as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with someone who might need it. I'm always here to help. 239-450-5786.